So before this COVID-19 pandemic came into picture, I went to a week-long trip to explore the most unseen beauty of Himachal Pradesh. I took a flight from Mumbai to Kullu and it lasted for about 2.5 hours. I knew traveling leaves you speechless and then turns you into a storyteller. But I just couldn't stop dreaming about what was stored in this beautiful journey. I welcome you to the part 1 of my Escapades web series.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is in no way funny. We will find our way back together. But right now, there's stormy weather.
After few miles of trek, we were surrounded by beautiful waterfalls and those mesmerizing riversides. The views just couldn't get better. Yeah, but I knew something big was waiting up there at the 6,000 feet. The mighty Mount Devtibba. So finally, after 4 hours of trek, we reached our first base camp for tonight, Siri. Siri was located at 2000 feet, so we decided to get ourselves acclimatized first and then explore the place in the evening.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have. Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within.